Okay, hello from Excel Wizard. Today is Convex Hull by Excel Formula. So I don't know about this one until about this Convex Hull until last year when Carlos, who is expert on doing graphic with Excel, asked me this question. So I have a link to the post about this around here. So this one. So convex hull is somehow is about building, selecting the point that can cover all the point inside. So it's just like this one. So we just select the point that can uh, cover every other point, but seem like this just like outside point or something. This one are already finished, so like demonstrate here. So it's like select outer point like this somehow. And this is done before from Andy Pope with using VBA, and he show amazing graphic here. And how does it select here? And when he asked, so I tried with formula, so I answer him this one last year. The important point on this one is I use this one A102, which I'm explain later. And then this is the post from last year, and with Carlos here that he used the formula to do this visualization, and he will apply to some very interesting case later. So like this one, and then recently yesterday Omid also post about this challenge to do this one. So the answer, I also answer this one also same, almost the same method here, A10. Okay, so let's get started. So with this one, I'll just skip first to this one, fix. So my concept is, okay, let's say I'm starting from the lowest point, which is this one. Then the next point I want to find is where the angle is like smallest one compared to the zero here. So this is like zero angle, the green one here. Smallest one is here, so which is next point here. And then, okay, let's start from this one. So we can put like so many point. And the smallest angle, I will pick that one. And then for the next one, and connect the dot to next other point. So that like, and then select the smallest one, continue like this until the end. So the key is use A10 here, and a little bit of high school trigonometric here. Okay. So like this is like angle, radian, and then some cosine, cotangent. So when we have the point here, like this one, x and y. So if x is 1 and y is 0, that means we have 0 angle, and then 45, 90, just like this chart here. And to convert the xy point back to angle, we have to use this one, A10, which is, where is it? So this is A10. This is also A10. They have, okay, in Excel we have A10 and A102. With A102 we, okay, A10 here. A10, normal A10 we just need number, but when we like this one, when we divide by 0 here, it's become error here. So that's why I use A102, which is, I found the x and y compared to 0. So this is angle from this point to 0. And this one we solve in radian, and radian is like I think radian is pi, so equal to pi here. So this is like, and pi is equal to 180 degree. So we can go like convert to degree like this one. Yeah, degree. So this is, and then 2 pi. 2 pi is 6 something, and this is 360. And then if we use radian, normally we will get all of this also negative numbers. Mean if I convert to degree, okay, I can convert to degree by multiply 180 and divide by pi, which is also 180 degree. So we get this one negative sign. That means like from this to this is minus 45, but we can convert that into positive angles with mod. So we know that 360 degree is pi multiplied by 2. So with mod, this one return positive number. Okay. And I will use this one a lot. So this means, okay, A10 is only X number and Y number. And then we have to deduct the start point. So we start with 0 and 0. Okay. So let's say I'm started here. This, I don't know, this one. So the coordinate of X and Y for this one is minus 2 and Y also minus 2. Now the angle from this point until some point here is like 18 degree until 70 something degree here. So it's depend on the start point. Okay. So let's say from this one, okay, I'll try to build. This one we have a set of X and Y here. So I want to start from the lowest Y, which is make our start angle at 0. So I'm start with us. I think I'll let C is my this one, but I want the start point to be the lowest one on the Y. So I sort this one by 2. Sort by 2. And this lowest point Y equal to 16 here, and I want to start it here. I think I'll just smaller this one. Now I want to find angle from this start point to other point. So I go like this. A10 to X is all this, and then start point is this one. Y is this, and start point is this one. So this is all angle from this point here. But this is all positive because we start on the lowest one. Let's say the sample. If start from other point, okay, I'll just pick something here, which is Y equal to 80. I think something below 80. Okay, this one. Now we got negative angle, which is I can fix that one by mod. Oh wait. Mod this one by 360 degree, which is 2 multiplied by pi here. So now this become all positive. Okay. So this is the important part. So we need to use mod with pi to multiply by pi to get all this number positive. Okay. Now, when I start with this one, okay, let's say I'm start with this. So, and I have to select from the index of this one. So, okay, from this formula, I want sequence. Okay, S is sequence of rows 3 here. So I got so this is index of each point in one, and then I'm start with the first one here. I have. Oh, thank you. Thank you. My okay, my think my microphone has bad connection. Thank you for about this to notice that. Not sure when did I lost here. Okay, I think I'll just restart again. Okay, I'll just go back to where is it? Sure, it's okay. Um, okay, start from this one where I use A10. This is A10 2, which can find angle from 2 point. And this one by 2 point, this is like x distant and y distant, and it will return angle in some weird way. So if I'm start from 0 here, the angle is returned in radian, but it will show like -1. And so instead of this -45 here, I want it all to be positive. So to fix that one, I mod with pi multiply by 2, which is like 360 degree. Okay, so this is like the mod is being used here, and this is like convert to, and then there are some like this is x, this is y, and then arctan could convert back the distance from x and y into angle somehow. Okay. Okay. Go back here. Go back to this one. So like convex hull is like I want to start it from the lowest point of y, and then that's why the start angle will be 0. Okay, and then next point, I want the smallest angle compared to the first one. So like this one I find the angle from the start point, which is the lowest y here. So this one I sort from column 2 to get the lowest y, and to get this one, and then this one using reduce, and the angle, the start point will be index 1. So the start from the first row. I think I'll just index this one a little bit small. This one. So this is like sequence of rows. This is index. Okay, start with first row here, and start angle will be 0. So the next point is the angle that's smallest compared to the first one. So like this one is my second point. And I use A10 here. So get back here. A10 is the M to find the next angle in radian, and then find the smallest one. And then this one is like smallest y here on the second point. So this is my next point. I X look up this one. This one will have no problem if we like continue without any duplicate. So when I got this one, I will stack A and this one to next point. So we have the second point here. Continue from this one. And then if I go like 2, we have no problem. But there are some point that we have this one. So this point, this one is like 180 degree here, and no 100, yeah, 180 degree. And at some point there are the point here, and this one will cause problem because there are 2 points that can be 180 degree, and it will cause some confusion. So let's say I'll go with 9 here. So like this one, same angle, so it will just like continue endlessly with this angle because it's found 0, and then it's found this one. So to get rid of this problem, I have to filter out the point that already include. Okay, so this means if I already use 22 and 23 here, I don't want to go with 23 again. So here come the problem. So instead of use index S here, I want to exclude the point that I already used. So F will be filter S when S is not found in column A before. So is an A X match S in A, but I want to not include what already found in A. So, and the index is first column of A. So take A first column. So now this will exclude the point that already happened before. So, and then now I have to change this one to F, and this one to F. This filter. Oh, another cross. Okay, I got value. something wrong again. Okay, let's try. Okay, this is V stack. This is F. Looks good. Okay, because this one I have to go this one with F also. Okay, so this is my second point, and then this one I can go 9 without duplicate, and it's go NA again. So go with 5. Then go with 6. Now it's not duplicate, but now here this one becomes 0. And this is like, okay, let's say this 24.95. Y equal to 95, which is, okay, sum of this one. And it's go 0. And this one is like, okay, let's see, just on that one. Okay, so we go with 5 here. And we change the start point from this into this, and I'm just go 1. Okay, see why is finding 0 here. So I'll start with that M. So this one is M, and then okay, let's stack F and M, and this is like 24. And this 24 is this point, which is 60 and something. So like we on some point here, and then we go to the right, and it's cos 0 angle again. So this is why I cannot just use absolute angle here. So I have to compare from the previous angle, and then somehow this one is negative that I don't like. So the fix is from here, M. Now I want to this one mod by is pi multiplied by 2. That will fix some problem, but this one is still show 0 because we did not compare the angle from the previous one. So to compare angle from the previous angle, I have to just like I have to like so let's say my start angle is somewhere 90 degree, and the next angle is like 95. So this one I want 5, so that means I have to go with this minus the start angle to get this one, and I also have to mod. So this one, not just M, I have to minus previous angle, and then my previous angle is this one. Take A from last column, last row and last column to go like this, and it will show like this. And now it's minus, but that is fine because I think it's something going minus here. That is fine, but because I didn't use mod here, it show negative, but the one that I do the calculation, I use mod here. So this is like just show up. The one with calculation is I already do the mod here, so it's always be positive. So this is fine. So this will mean this one I can go until some point endlessly. But another thing is this one, as it get rid of the point number 1, it will not find start point again. So it will just go like in circle. So let's see. I can go like 20, and then I put this one into my chart. Okay, this is the finished one. I just get rid of this one. You see, it will like, oh, I have to, so this is not the XY. So I have to take coordinate from the first column. Choose row, choose row from Z here to get the coordinate. Okay, let's see. Like it should just go circle inside, which is kind of fun when we do. I don't know. It's maybe able to use in other application. And how much is this one? 24. So like I can go with S here to complete all the circle. Oh, just cut cal. I think I have to drop last one. Last row out. Okay. So this one is just go in circle. It will not go into this point because we filter out the first one. So to fix this, when I filter this one, I also want the first point in this equation. So I reset the first point back, which is 1 here. So at some point, we step filter. Yep. Oh, I choose row here, so just get rid of that choose row. Hey, cross. No, I don't want take, so take, get rid of take, cross. Yep, okay. So this index, so at some point, this one just return the first point. And when it return that first point, I want to stop. Okay. So with reduce, I have to check if this one returns 1 at all. So this means I will stop the calculation when b is equal to 1. But with this, b is already equal to 1 on the first row, so that is 2 conditions. So if b is equal to 1 and row has to be more than 1, so rows of A have to be more than 1, then I want to return the initial, so which is A. Else just do the other configuration, so I'll just let here do the rest here. Oh, what happened? What happened? Wait, if B, okay. Seem like I have to use add. Okay. This is funny thing where when like this let return array here, take this take return array, and then somehow this one does like array, so put add will change array to scalar, and it's fix this one. So when it's found 1 and row equal to 1, it's just return the initial value, and then we can stop there. So this is like something. Okay, RD here. Where's my cursor? So this is RD. And with this one, I want to return the coordinate. So I can choose row from Z and then get the RD on the first row, first column. So take this one by 1 and cross. So this is like just like this. And now it no longer go to the this, I don't know, let's call it. So it's go like this, and we include the last point because the chart here, the chart, how can I select this one? Oh, okay. If I'm not include the last point, so I just drop the last row out, then we will miss one line here. So to complete the line in the chart, I need to include that one. So this is like how to do convert hacks. But here with reduce, I have to overshoot, right? I have to go like this one. Okay. There are another way which is I like better, which is recursion. So we will stop the calculation when b is equal to 1. So let's try that. So start with this one, and then instead of reduce, I'll just go with convex. Okay, it's lambda f, and then the input will be a, and then do all the rest here. So just go like this. Let b is something, and say if b equal to 1, that is not the point. Okay, I'll just stop it later. So this one, that means we stop on the beginning, but here now, like with this X lookup here, we also found the one number one on this X lookup. So this one, I'll just put another variable. So this is X, and this X will return index and angle. Then, but it will return index and angle, not include the start point. So that means I can stop it here. So that means if first in array of X equal to 1, I want to stop to return A, else return this one V stack. Okay, so go like this, and then I don't think I need this one anymore. So don't need this one, so just go like this. Okay, not sure. And then okay, this is end of the this is end of the recursion function, and then I'll do the recursion with CV and call itself with CV by start. I'm start with index 1 and 0 angle here, and this is just run one round because I didn't use the recursion yet. Okay, so this is first round. The next round to run recursion is this one. So I'm start the recursion here, which is F here. So this like just use anything here. Call F and call itself. I have to close it correctly. A return reference. Not sure if I have to use this. I don't think I need to use the same name, right? Okay, let's go with F here. F here. No, reference. X1 equal to A. When write it this way is not going. If XA equal to 1. Okay. Stop this one first. 1. And this is X lookup. Not sure what's caused this one. XA equal to 1. This is A. This is return. Something not right. Not sure about this. I mean, index is bad. Not sure. Okay. How should I stop this one? Okay, let's try the thing here. So this one just return RD. And now I want to stop when X equal to 4. It's still not stop. X. Okay. Is it? This is redo everything. So if I just put this one AX, it's still not good. Seems like it not stopping. And it's cause error. FF equal to 1. That be not sure how to troubleshoot this one. So this is F A10M. Okay, try again. So instead of stop it there, I'll stop it later. Okay, try it here. So this is A, and then this will become my X. Okay, let's try with video first. X is this one, and this is X. Return RD. Okay, so this is like continuous, and it's found 1 again. Okay, if I'm stop here, okay, if at X equal to 1, return A, else do the V step. It stop. Yep, it stop here. Good, but it's not stop with recursion. I'm not sure why. Okay, let's try from this. I'm not sure what's wrong. So, okay. R is lambda R and A. Then let B here. Now I go with R and 1, 0. So this is return 1 round. Oh wait, close. Yep, 1 round. And if I put it here, oh, now it's work. Not sure what's wrong with the beginning. Okay, but now it's work here. So with this, I can like resolve on only the first column. So this one I will take only first column. But I also need the first start point at the end. So I V-step this one later. So V-step 1 to get this. And with this, I can finish it in recursion. So I choose row of C into this one. Just return this one. So this is like returning. So this is how to do this. Okay. Now we can like testing with this. So okay, I just go with this. Testing. Okay, I just overwrite it somewhere here. And this is input, but this is fixed length. So this one returns spill because this random is making different array size here. So if we want to try with this random part, we need to fix the output row and column. So this is why I go expand this one into large column. So the array size will not change. And this spill causing when the array size of output change. So this one go like this, and it will almost the same thing here. Then if we like to do lambda function from this one, so we have one input with this one, and then like if we want to do with different size of our array here, this means our input could be like if this one is like more than one row here, so this one returns 0 point because it's also include this one. So to make the lambda handle everything here, so I'm just go like this. So okay, just input with x and y here, and the input will be this one. Now with this, it come x, y, but I don't want blank empty data into this one, so I have to filter x, y when any of x, y. Okay, I can like what? Okay, take x first column and drop x, y first column. So have to be more than blank. So this one, I'll filter the blank area here. Okay. Now we got this with like, and then this is fixed. So this one will be rows. Oh, I already have this one. Yes. Okay, I think I just use that one. So R is row of C, and this is R, and this is also R. What? Oh, duplicate. Okay, this is N. This is N. This is N. Now we down into just one input here. We can easily change this one into lambda, which is lambda of x and y, and then the rest is the same. We go with C here. This is lambda, and then this can be input like this, and I can go more. Still good. Now we can use this one to like lambda. Okay, convex. Oh, this formula cross. Okay, now I can replace this one with convex hull, and the input I can go like more 99 here. So it just show like this, and then can handle everything. And this one I use only 20 rows, so go with 90 row. It's still like good. So this is like how to do convex with Excel. Okay, I think. Sorry about my. Not sure I have two monitor. And thanks again for everybody to notice me that. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.